Hello everybody, this is not a crypto expert chiming in with another video, and in today's video I wanted to go over a video game giant that is backing a blockchain based video game. But before I get into the topic of conversation for today, I would like to ask that you please consider giving me a like, giving me a heart, giving me a thumbs up, giving me a follow, hitting that subscribe button, that post bell notification. I'm not going to ask you to share because it seems invasive. On my channel, I talk about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, and I try to keep it entertaining with the beat running in the background. So this article comes to us from thedailyhodl.com. It was published March the 22nd of 2020, and it is Gaming Goliath, Square Enix backs company building virtual world on Ethereum. Square Enix, the Japanese gaming giant behind world-renowned games such as Final Fantasy and Tomb Raider, has invested in Ethereum-based game developer TSB Gaming. In the third quarter of 2019, Square Enix participated in a $2 million investment round launched by TSB Gaming and its parent company, Animoca Brands. The investment round also included participation from Japanese startup B Cryptos Incorporated, Mindfulness Venture Fund, and blockchain equity fund True Global Ventures 4+ Fund GP, among other investors. Animoca Brands reports that 83% of the investment came in cash, with the remaining 17%, roughly $343,000, in Bitcoin and Tether. TSB Gaming and Animoca Brands are launching the Sandbox, an Ethereum-based game that allows players to leverage a utility token called Sand to buy plots of virtual territory called land. Here's a tweet stating or showing the map and what's been sold versus what is available. As you can see, they have 5% of the total map is already bought out, and this was tweeted out on February the 16th. The virtual terrain can then be used to build in-game assets and create unique gaming experiences. So far, TSB Gaming has raised more than 1,300 ETH, also known as Ether, worth roughly $175,175 by pre-selling over 10,000 land. Animoca Brands is planning to launch the Sandbox's decentralized virtual world in the later half of 2020. If you aren't aware, Final Fantasy is one of the biggest franchises there are in video games. It's been around for as long as I've been playing video games, which is a very long time. I've never been a fan of Final Fantasy or Tomb Raider. However, their fan base they're like a cult. They long for the next iteration of the game. I've got friends that love both. The majority of my friends that play Final Fantasy actually play Tomb Raider games, and like I said, they've been doing it for as long as we've all been playing video games, which is at least a decade and a half long. So the fact that a video game giant as large as Square Enix is backing a company that is building a blockchain-based decentralized game is huge. Hopefully the game is successful, but hopefully Square Enix actually looks to adopt the decentralized aspect as well as the crypto functionality of the game. Maybe for the next PlayStation, the PlayStation 5 or the Xbox Series X, we'll see a Square Enix game that's decentralized and has some of the elements that this company is actually incorporating right now. But only time will tell, and that's wishful thinking on my part, but this is certainly a good step because gaming will certainly help us drive decentralization of data and cryptocurrency assets inside of video games, as well as just in our everyday life. So with that being said, folks, don't forget to hit that like button, that heart button, that thumbs up button, that follow, that subscribe. I'm not going to ask you to share because it seems invasive, and I hope that you're having a great morning, a great afternoon, and an even better evening.